small things here. We got the timer and the app talking to each other. Um, it says finish when timer reaches 0, but we want some game action to happen here. And what you initially planned was for the game to end. It will probably do something else, but for now, let's just try and get it to talk to Rune Actions. So the action that we made before, Rune Actions timer end, invoked, which is over here in logic timer end. I added this console log here so that we know that if we're reaching that. And I just kind of hacked this together, so this is probably not right. But let's put 2 players. Oh, maybe it did work. All right, we've got 2 players. It works. It's not great, but you can see that the action calls, your game is in game over state. Let's see what happens with just 1 player. All right, so it doesn't say game end, but it's in the game end place. And in this logic, we're mapping through all the player IDs so that both clients will get game won, game lost. But I think this logic here prevented it from happening because there's only 1 player. So the game ends for the player whose timer ran out. So I'm just going to get rid of this if statement. Right. Open parentheses. Come on, what's wrong with my brackets? There we go. No. All right. We want to get rid of 1 if statement and 1 bracket. That should work. All right. So that's working. Restart game. All right, the display is a little funky because the way we wrote it, but we're connecting. We've connected the game end activity to the timer ending. I think what needs to happen is get rid of that. Get rid of the map. Get rid of that. Get rid of 1 set of brackets. This is how it knew it was the other player. That's confusing. Okay, it's funky. But again, I think we're going to scrap all this and use Rune's built-in timer anyway. But like I said, I just want to go through the code to sort of show you where some of the um, logic comes from, where the game logic goes, how to communicate with the actions inside the logic file. So I think we're doing that.